Shemai! This is a ukulele tutorial for House of Gold by 21 Pilots, and it matches our ukulele play-along video on our Ukuleleans channel, and I'll pop a link to that in the description. Okay, so I'll go through the chords, show you the strumming pattern, and I'll also show you what Tyler Joseph does at the beginning of the song. So the chords. It's a C chord, an F, a G, an A7, an A minor, a D minor, and then a B flat minor. Now if you're not sure how to play that chord, you put your first finger and you bar it across all the strings on the first fret, and then you put your ring finger, your third finger, onto the third fret of the G string. Now it might take a little bit of practice to get this, but it is worth it. If you're not sure how to play any of the chords, check the chord charts because it'll tell you which strings and frets to play, and the numbers are your fingers. So let's look at the strum. It's an island strum, down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, but it's very fast, and it's probably the hardest thing initially for the song. It's getting used to playing it at that speed and keeping going. Alright, you need to do it very lightly. You can use your thumb or your first finger, whatever you're most comfortable with. Okay, but it's keeping going. Now you can always slow the video down, press the cog, the settings. It won't change the pitch, but it will change the tempo and makes it a bit easier for you to practice to. Now at the beginning of the song, the whole of the first verse, Tyler Joseph plays a muted C chord. So you press a C, but you actually rest very gently your first finger and all the other strings on the first fret, and it should sound like this. Okay, it's quite a nice effect. And he does that for the whole of the first verse. Even though the chord charts are changing, okay, I've done that just for you to be able to follow the song, Tyler Joseph plays this. Okay? So, get strumming, get practicing, and then we'll run through the whole song. Okay, so let's play through the song. Starts on a C chord, very fast island strum, and don't forget the first verse is a muted C. Okay, get yourselves ready, here we go. Okay, so hear the muted C. She asked me, son, when I grow old, will you buy me, take care of me? Okay, normal chords. She asked me, son, when I grow old, will you buy me a house of gold? And when your father turns to stone, will you take care of me? Change of chords. I will make you queen of everything you see. I'll put you on the map. I'll cure you of disease. Okay, get the patterns. Let's say we up and stone. Will you take care of me? I will make you queen of everything you see. I'll put you on the map. I'll cure you of disease. And since we know that dreams are dead, she asked me, son, when I grow old, will you buy me a house of gold? And when your father turns to... Now we're going to go to one strum. Get ready. I will make you queen of everything you see. I'll put you on a map. I'll cure you of disease. Okay, I hope that has helped. Your arms are probably falling off now, but don't worry, with a bit of practice you will get there. And don't forget, there's a play along video on our Ukuleleans channel. Thanks for watching.